Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to start learning English from scratch. Whether you are a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your skills, this video will give you some tips and tricks for getting started on your journey to fluency. So, let's get started. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, and learning it can open up a lot of opportunities for you, whether it's for travel, business, or personal growth. But where do you even begin when you are starting from zero? Well, don't worry, we are here to help. The first thing you need to do is establish your goals. Why do you want to learn English? Is it for work, travel, or just for personal development? Knowing your goals will help you stay motivated and focused throughout the learning process. Once you have established your goals, it's time to start gathering materials. There are so many resources available for learning English, from textbooks and workbooks to apps and online programs. Do some research and find the materials that work best for you. The next step is to start with the basics. Learn the alphabet, basic grammar, and simple vocabulary. This will provide a foundation for further learning. Practice listening and speaking as much as possible. Listen to English speakers, whether it's in person, on the radio, or through videos, and practice speaking as much as possible. This will help you improve your pronunciation and fluency. Read extensively. This will help you expand your vocabulary, improve your grammar and comprehension skills. Read books, newspapers, articles, and anything else you can find in English. Watch English language TV shows and movies. This will help you to improve your listening skills and learn colloquial language. Learn new vocabulary, learn new words and phrases daily, and use flashcards to help you memorize them. Practice writing in English. This will help you to improve your grammar and sentence structure. Write emails, journal entries, or practice writing essays. Get a language partner. Find someone who is also learning English and practice speaking and writing with them. Use technology to your advantage. There are many apps, websites, and programs that can help you learn English. Use them to supplement your learning and make it more interactive and fun. So, there you have it. Some tips and tricks for getting started with learning English from scratch. Remember, be patient, set clear goals, and practice, practice, practice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips.